Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to send large videos on Gmail. So first of all, you'll need to open your Google Drive and you'll need to upload the large video on your Google Drive. So click on this plus icon, click on file upload and select the video, open, and it may take some time to upload the video. Once your video uploaded, click on it and click on this three dot, share, and click on restricted, and from here you have to select anyone with the link and click on copy link. Done. And open your Gmail, compose, enter the email address whom you want to send the video, and here you have to paste the video URL and click on send, and that's how you can send large videos on Gmail. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.